manufacturer of precision metal parts. Hung Dian Technology Company Limited was established in 2008 and mainly manufactures precision metal parts. On account of our excellent processing quality, accurate workpiece precision with customer requirements, and punctual lead time of finished products, we are widely recognized by customers. Our business objectives are continuous technical innovation, enhancing processing precision, quality assurance, equitable price, and sustainable operation. We always try our best to provide our customers with the most perfect service and also work as an OEM. With the efforts of the President and all colleagues, we obtained ISO 9001-2008 certification in 2012. This reveals our vigorous ambition. Professional R&D and considerate design. When receiving orders, our R&D department will use CAD/CAM software to create 3D drawings to analyze products and submit them to the site technicians for discussion and sample making. After the samples are verified and confirmed by customers, we will begin mass production. During production, our Q&A staff will examine and inspect products frequently in order to ensure each product's precision meets customer requirements. For every step and process, we will prepare SOP and save it in order to promptly know the limitation of period when communicating and serving customers. Fully equipped, precision production. In order to improve the precision and quality stability of high-precision parts, we bought various machines from America, Japan, and Taiwan, like CNC millers, CNC lathes, CNC machining center, vertical machining center, and auto drilling machines. All processes like cold forging, hot forging, die casting, stamping, aluminum extrusion, and dewaxing are finished in our factory and outsourcing factories to assure customers that each process is strictly quality controlled and that process capability is excellent. Professional inspection, strict quality control. To conform with strict quality requirements, we use various precision equipment to examine and inspect products, such as 2D image measuring instrument, 3D coordinate measuring instrument, inner-outer diameter micrometer, hardness tester, various inner and outer diameter measuring equipment, standard block gauge, height gauge, surface roughness tester, and electronic vernier calipers, so as to provide stable, accurate, and efficient process inspection and ensure product quality in each process. Our machining and milling products. Spare parts like pneumatic tool parts, bicycle parts, hand tools, and ATV parts made by our company are widely used in various industries. We can also make metal parts according to customer requirements for cars and motorcycles, machine tools, rubber and plastic machines, medical devices, machinery and hardware, etc. Custom-made machining materials are also available. Hung Dian insists on the service spirit of quality first and customer first, and works very carefully based on professional technology. Our company is confident to challenge various difficulties, high technology, and high-quality OEM parts, and helps you lower production cost and enhance profitability. Hung Dian will march towards diversified product processing operation and globalization direction. We firmly believe that enhancing teamwork competitiveness, quality assurance, and customer satisfaction is the one and only way to maintain our competitive edge in the market.